I've got some blessings that I don't deserve. I've got some scars, but that's how you learn. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. Nothing short of a miracle that we all here. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, just gonna go around and show y'all what's going on. Little morning garden walk and talk. So let's get on to the video. Since I'm standing here in front of it, first is them blackberries. And you can see they are already starting to flower out, leaf out. Violet de Bordeaux, not so much. Musu Bajus, yes sir, they're coming up. The Damson plum, not doing nothing yet. The Red Haven plum, not really doing much. Look like it's trying to, not yet. Texas Evergrande, not doing nothing yet. Carlos Muscadines, they starting to. You see them Nat King cherries though. Them Nat King cherries. Look at that new garden bed I just built. It's 2 sections. Yeah, you know I've been working. 5-in-1 plum is waking up. A lot of the blueberries are. I'll take you up close and show you those. But Niagara grape, it's not waking up yet. And that King cherry is starting to pop off. Got the yard fenced in. Got it all fenced in. But now it's starting to wake up. You can see starting a new row with all of this over here on this side of the fence. We'll be over here this fall. Yeah. Texas Evergrande is not waking up. The Italian honey's not waking up yet. The banana's not coming up yet. This Concord's not doing nothing yet. You can see some of the tulips and the roses are starting to pop off. See that blueberry right there is popping off. Some of them even got blueberries on them. Put some new pine chip mulch down. See the tulips coming up looking good. The canna's starting to pop off. Gooseberries about to start popping. Comfrey is coming up already. This bean cherry look like it's about to awaken. Wake up. This gooseberry don't look like it's popping off yet. Bush apricot, not yet. This blueberry looking like it's gonna pop. My boy, my baby right here, this is that tougher blueberry. Look at him. Yeah, he always gives me plenty. This blueberry starting to pop off. I think this is Climax, I believe. I got a lot of different varieties. It's hard to remember them all. But this one's at the flowers. This first bean cherry we planted is waking up. Look at them tulips. They look pretty. Some of these roses are looking rough. Nothing in these 3 garden beds. Not yet. Just onions sets in that one. That one I just built today. Nothing's in that one yet either. These blueberries is waking up. This rose and tulips looking pretty good. And that King cherry is looking good. Strawberries underneath there, Walker strawberries. This thing, Lapine cherry is not waking up yet. New blueberry plant I just purchased at Lowe's. Look at it. Covered in flowers and berries already. Look at that price. $13.98. That's the variety. Look how big it is. Yeah. More strawberries. I need to find somewhere to do with or give them away. Most of the bananas will start waking up. The one I was worried about the most at Musu Baju. Musu Acuminatus. It's starting to come back. Carolina Kings, they about 2 foot. So they got a while to go. Alberta's waking up, flowering. Got oregano. And see, that's why I don't have to replant my herbs most of the time, because I got mine in ground and my herbs grow plentiful. And I believe in growing them around my fruit trees, because you ain't using that space for nothing else. You can see the garlic right there. Garlic coming up there. All oregano here. You can see the garlic coming up there. This is Bella, Georgia peach. You can see her and all her loveliness flowering right now. You know, I hate to see it because my last frost date ain't till April 15th. You can see this red nectarine is not doing nothing. Not doing nothing yet. But Little Red, on the other hand, though, Little Red, oh, this side don't look like it's doing much. See it? It looks like some of it's starting to wake up. It's like it might start popping in. But look at this side. Little Red, come on now. Come on, Little Red. You can see that garlic. Raspberries up here starting to take off. Putting on their leaves. Yeah. Blue passion fruit vine, it's not doing nothing yet, but last year it died all the way back to the roots, and then it come back viciously. So maybe do the same thing here. You can see the tulips over there on the other side of the ditch line. Yeah, I forgot to show you the Orinoco is waking up. The flowers we just planted over here is waking up. My little pineapple guava starting to put on leaves. Somebody broke that side over there, probably one of them hard-headed dogs. Yeah. A few of the figs are starting to wake up, but not all of them. These musubajis is waking up. Looking terrible up in my greenhouse, just looking terrible. And I fenced in this area to keep the dogs from running through everything. Then I got some greens coming up, collard greens, turnip greens, onions, strawberries. And I believe in using red pine bark mulch. Oh yeah, look. The tornado force winds come through here, y'all. Look at my outbuilding. Yeah. Huh? Things never stop. Work never stops. But it must be done. See them crazy dogs, they're running wild like always. This side over here is really starting to pop. I'm loving all these flowers we planted over here. That's a blackberry right there. Forgot what kind of flower that was, but look, that's pretty. Look at that. Arkansas black. Need to get it staked back over this way. Can't do it with my hand. Have to get that hammer. Yeah, Arkansas black's not waking up yet. Look like that papaya didn't make it. Red Delicious, it's not waking up yet. Comfort's coming to life. When the flowers coming up, comfort's coming to life. Roses coming to life. Look at that garlic. Look at that garlic. Dwarf pomegranate's not waking up yet. Gala apple's not waking up yet. Red Delicious looking terrible. I don't know what's wrong with her. More garlic, lemon balm. I need to clean this up. Let me get in here and clean all this dead out. You can see the lemon balm. It's hardy to my area and it's coming back. Look at all that garlic. All that garlic. Oregano, more garlic, flour. About 6-year-old thyme right there. Then they get in there and clean all the dead out, but it's coming back. So, and it's 6 years old, so I knew it would. And this sage, seen its better days. Granny Smith apples, starting to wake up. Honeycrisp, not yet. Rosemary. Yeah, you can see some green right there. So, yeah, rosemary's coming back. And there's some lemon thyme, more comfrey. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at the size of these chives. Look at these chives. More garlic. You see, that's why I never really have to replant my herbs. Because the ones I really use, I grow them in ground. And they grow plentiful. So I'm never really, just basil. Basil's really all. Oh, there's some more chives right there. Basil is it's the only herb we really re-sow every year because it's not harder to my zone, so it dies back. Yeah, let me take you around here and show you the apples. I mean, not the apples, but the pears. Let me show you what I'm working on up here. My yellow long neck. There's a king I'm trying to root. Some air layers, some cuttings that I'm trying to root. This is an air layer. It's already rooted. You can see it's coming back. Jersey cabbage. Some more air layers I'm rooting. That one right there, and that one looks like it's starting to pop off. That one looks like it's getting some green on it right there, so it's probably about the root. Yeah. My poor little Mars lemon looking terrible, but she's holding on to lemons. That right there is that Panache Tiger Fig. While was coming back from the rootstock, got knocked back, both of them. This is just the rootstock of that Moore's Blood Orange, because it died all the way back, and it's coming back from the rootstock. So hey, figure out what it is, and then hey, I'll have to regraft over. That's why I like buying stuff from that's air layer instead of grafted. So because of my zone I'm in, that way if you get hit by that frost, then it'll come back and it'll be true to what it is. And it's some more projects I got to put out. Some honeysuckle vines and some hummingbird vines for the wife. You know, some people say happy wife, happy life. No, that is not true. That is not true at all. It's gotta be a happy couple, happy life. If one ain't happy, nobody's gonna be happy. Yeah, we'll start up here with the little fella first. That's that Bartlett pear. 3rd year in the ground here. I'm expecting to see a lot of growth out of him this year. Hasn't woke up yet. This right here is the oldest one. It's going in its 6th year in the ground here, and that's that Moon Glow or Mongolian, however you want to say. Hasn't woken up yet, but you can see this early riser right here. This pineapple pear has woken up, leafing out just good, and I do not see any fruit buds. This is 3rd year in the ground. So hey, rose looking terrible. It's a white rose. My baby right here is going on to his 5th season in the ground. This is a Kiefer pear. Yeah, he's starting to wake up. Yeah. That's all we got going on around here, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom's Homestead, as long as my passion.